Welcome to this tutorial. How to rotate your computer screen. On your desktop screen, right-click and then select Display Settings. On the right side of the Display Settings window, go to the Scale and Layout section, and you will find the Display Orientation menu. Click on it, and here you will find the 4 different display orientation options. The very first default option is Landscape for the standard monitors. Second option is Portrait, which will rotate the display at 90 degrees. You will see the bottom taskbar is now showing on the right edge. If you want to apply the new display rotate settings, then click on the Keep Changes button in the Confirmation Alert window. Third option is Landscape, Flipped. When we select this option, this will flip the screen upside down. The last and fourth option is Portrait, Flipped. When you will choose this option, it rotates the display at 90 degrees to the left, and now the bottom taskbar will show you at the left edge. If there is a dedicated video graphics card installed on your computer, then you can also make the changes to rotate your computer screen display. For example, in this system, the NVIDIA graphics card is installed, and let's see how we can rotate the display in the card setting. Right-click on the desktop, and from the list, we will click on the NVIDIA Control Panel. In the left menu list, and under the Display section, click on the Rotate Display menu link. On the right side, in Rotate Display Settings window, you can select any option to rotate the screen by clicking on a radio button. The main benefit of changing screen rotation in the graphics card setting is it displays the screen rotation without applying the actual display setting. After selecting one option according to your requirement, click on the Apply button at the bottom. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.